Hello dear my students, class 7 standard. Today we are going to do adverbs. Chapter number 5, adverbs, page number 41 from your corner store English. Okay. Now there are many types of adverbs. Okay, now first of all let me tell you what do you mean by adverbs. So adverbs is defining it gives some extra meaning of the verb. So before going into the chapter, let us say, so what is adverb? Adverb is that type of verb which gives an extra meaning to the words. Okay, or some type of extra meaning to the particular kind of words. Suppose if I'll say she runs fast or she runs. So runs is a verb, and if I'll tell she runs fast, so what is adverb here? Adverb is fast. Now look at the chapter. Part 1. I have divided the chapter into two parts. Part 1 and Part 2. Part 1 chapter, Part 1 kinds of adverbs. There are 6 kinds of adverb. First of all, look at this. Adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. It modifies verbs. We can say it modifies, it gives different level to the verb. Now there are many types of adverb, students. Now at present in your cornerstone book grammar, we will learn about there are 6 types. First type of adverb would be adverb of time. So what is this? It shows the time at which an action takes place, right? Example, I have met Neha before. Okay, in your book only 2 examples have been given, but from my side I am giving you 2 more. I met Neha before. This is a kind of adverb. So what is adverb here? Before. Means it shows the time. When I met Neha. So I met Neha before. Next, look at this. The principal will meet you today. So when the principal will meet us, they will meet you or they will meet me today. From my side also I have given you 2 more examples. First one, I went there early. Where I went? Okay, I went there early. Next one, she will come tomorrow. When she will come tomorrow. So the words like before, today, early, tomorrow, it will come under the category of adverb of time. Next one, second category, adverb of frequency, my students. Now, it shows how often something happens. Okay, 2 examples are given here, but from my side, I am giving you 2 more. Okay. Now look at example number 1. He visits us regularly. Okay. My father exercises every day. So regularly and every day is adverbs of frequency. Next one. I have seen him once. When I have seen him once. Once is here adverb of frequency. You always make a noise. What you always do? Always you make a noise. Now this will come under the category of adverb of frequency. Next one come. Adverb of place. It shows where something happens. 2 more example here. Sam went downstairs. Where Sam went? So Sam went downstairs. Next one, the man has gone out. Where the man has gone? He has gone out. Now look at this. God is present everywhere. You may come forward. So these 2 sentences, these 2 words, everywhere and forward, is adverb of place. Next one, adverb of manner, shows how something happens. Okay. For example, Rahim writes neatly. How Rahim writes? He writes neatly. The students worked diligently. Okay. Diligently also you can also pronounce it as diligently, but often we pronounce it as diligently, very nicely. From my side, I have given you 2 more examples. I shall go there certainly. Certainly means surely. Read the facts carefully. So read the facts carefully. This is also one type of adverb, and this type of next one comes adverbs of degree. It shows the intensity or the degree of an action or a quality. Example, I am so satisfied. I am so very satisfied. Next example, what you have heard is absolutely true. It is absolutely true. From my side, what examples I have given? Let me read. Your dress is fantastically awesome. So how your dress is? It is fantastically awesome. Next one. Purab is perfectly fine now. How is Purab now? He is perfectly fine now. Okay. Next comes integrative adverbs. These are adverbs which are used at the beginning of a sentence to ask question. Integrative means, as you can make out, integration means asking questions, right? Like examples, there are 4 examples given here already. When are you reaching Kolkata? Time. When? कब? Where can I meet you? कहाँ? हम तुमसे कहाँ मिल सकते हैं? How did you get there? Or how did you get here? Manner. कैसे? Why are you sad? Somebody is asking you, why are you sad or why are you so happy? It could be anything. From my side, I have given you 2 examples. When do they visit the zoo? How should I explain you? How should I explain you? I'm not able to understand because you are not understanding. And how should I explain you in a very better manner? You can tell to a friend also. How should I explain you my problem? Okay. So these are certain types of degrees of adverbs which I taught you today in part 1. In my next class, I will be teaching you part 2. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching.